Hello, Addy.
Oh,
Hi, how are you?
I
You're good? What did you do today?
write
You write. What did you write?
some words.
Some words. You practice writing? You
Yes,
practice. Oh, very good. Very good. I told you to practice writing. So are you good at writing now?
yes,
Yes, we will see later. I will ask you to write again. Okay?
yes,
Okay, are you ready to study?
yes.
Ready? Okay, let's begin. Let's begin with this. Okay. Which smells bad? Okay, first one is what's this picture?
Smoke,
How about this?
perfume,
Perfume. So, which smells bad?
smoke,
The smoke. Okay, this is our first sound today. What is the sound, Addy?
stem,
Sm.
smoke,
Sm. Again, what's the sound?
smoke,
Sm. What's this?
smile,
Yes, very good. How about this one? What's that? Sma, sma.
small,
Like this. She is. What is she doing with the flower?
smell,
Smell. Very good. Okay, how about this? What's this?
smoke,
Smoke. Very good. How about this? He is
small,
small. And how about this? He is
happy,
no, he is smart. Smart.
smart,
Smart. Very good. Okay, now go to your paper. I want you to write smile, smell, smoke, smart, and small. Okay, write it. Let's see if you're really good at writing now.
and
Oh, you're
one,
done? Okay, I want to see. I want you to show me. Show me, show me, show me. Show me. Okay. Ooh, look at your letter L for smile. Make it longer. Smile. Make your L longer. It should touch blue and blue. Okay, show me again. I want to see. I want to see. I want to see. Okay, up. Go here. To the left. To the left. Here, here, here. Show me, show me, show me. Here. Okay, up, 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 up. I cannot see. Smell. Oh, all your smoke. You forgot smoke. And make your L's bigger. The L's are bigger. The L's are longer. Make your L's longer. And the T also. It should be long. Like this. L and L and L and L. It should touch blue and blue. Okay, write it again. Okay, finish. Can I see? Show me. Let's see. Small. Okay, smoke. Oh, better. Better. Very good. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, one more time. What's the sound?
smoke,
Oh, very good. Okay, now let's go to our next activity. Tell me what words here have the sm sound. Okay, first word. What's this?
smile,
What letters?
MS,
MS? Sm?
SM,
SM. SM.
ILE,
Okay, how about this one? What's this? What is
SM,
it? Tell me first. What is it?
smell,
Okay, letters.
SM, ELL,
Okay, how about this one? What's this?
fall,
Letter?
SMALL,
Very good. How about this one? What's this? You remember?
trumpet,
Oh, very good. What letters? Trumpet. Ta 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 ta. T.
R,
R. Yes.
U, M, P, E, N,
Eh? What's this?
T,
T. Okay, how about this? What's this?
smart,
What letters?
S, M, A, R, T,
Okay. All right, ready? One, two, three, go.
now,
Huh? Again?
walk, now,
Smack. This one.
Small. Snack. Smell. Small. Small.
Smoky.
Happy.
Okay, this one.
Smart. Smile.
I want to hear the S at the end. Smiles.
Smiles. Smarty.
Yes.
Smoky. Smooth.
Smoosh.
Mush.
This one.
Milky.
Smutty.
Musty.
One more time. What's this?
Smiles.
This one.
Smoky.
Yes. And this one.
Smoosh.
Yes. This one.
Mushy.
Smutty.
Musty.
Okay, very good. All right, let's go to the next. Ready to read again? 1, 2, 3, go. This.
It's Smith.
Oh, I told you no more. This is Smith. Then and then. Read it straight like this. This is Smith.
This is Smith.
Mm-hmm.
He is smart.
Very good.
He is the smallest boy in class.
Mm-hmm.
He has smooth hair.
Mm-hmm.
He always smiles.
Very good. What's this word again?
Smooth.
Smooth. I want to hear the th. Smooth.
Smooth.
Yes, very good. How about this? What's this?
Smith.
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 Okay, the th again. Th. Smith.
Smith.
Okay, let's read again. This is.
This is Smith. He is smart. He is the smallest boy in class. He has smooth hair. He always smiles.
Yeah, very good. Better. Let's go to the next. Let's go to our next sound. Now, I want you to tell me, do you know these animals?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Which of these animals can crawl? Do you know what crawl means?
You walk
Walk. Crawling is walking. Is it like that? Walking? No. What is crawl?
like that crawl.
Like what?
Like like that. They crawl.
Cats? Cats can crawl?
Yes.
Hmm. But they use their feet. Do you crawl when you use your feet? When you crawl, usually if a person will crawl using his knees and hands like this. Like that. You get it? So if it's an animal, then it's like this on the ground. Like that on the ground. You get it? Okay, so which animal can crawl?
Snake.
Yes, very good. And
Snail.
snail. Yes, very good. Okay, this is our next sound. What's our next sound? This one?
Snow.
Sn. What's this?
Snap.
Okay, this one?
Snowman.
Yes, this one?
Snore.
Yes, this one?
Snake.
And this one?
Snail.
Very good. Go to your paper again. Let's write snuff, snack, snore, snake, snowman, and snail. Go. Right. Show me. Okay, let me see. Snack, snore, snake, snowman, and snail. Very good. Very good writing. I think you're really practicing very well. Very good. Very good. Okay. One more time. One more time. What's the sound? What's the sound?
Snow.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Now let's write the sounds again. Okay. First one. What's this?
Snap.
What's the letter? What letters?
SN.
S-N.
A. Tail.
Very good. This one?
Snake.
Letters?
SN. A.
Very good. This one?
Snail.
Letters?
SN. A.
And this one?
Snore.
Letters?
SNRORE.
This one? Do you remember?
Smile.
Letter?
S-M-I-L-E.
This one?
Snowman.
Letters?
Snowman.
Very good. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Snap. Sneed.
Ooh. Eh, eh, eh.
Sned. Snip. Snob. Snow. Snug.
Yes, this one.
Snap. Snake. Snap.
Okay.
Snap.
Snaps.
Snap.
This one.
Snoop.
Okay. Snobs.
Snob.
This one.
Snoot.
One more time. What's this again?
Snap.
Very good. This one.
Snoop.
Ooh. It's oh.
Snob.
Snobs.
Snob.
This one.
Snoot.
Snoot. Okay, very good, very good. All right. 1, 2, 3, go. Snappy.
Snappy and snail.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait, read properly. Is this and? What's this word?
The.
The. Don't forget that the. We already learned it. The. Again?
Snappy the snail.
Mm-hmm.
And Jake the snake
Mm-hmm.
are friends.
Mm-hmm. Eh? Snappy the snail and Jake the snake are friends. I told you just straight. Read it straight. Go.
They live under the house of us of a snowman.
Hmm?
They like to eat snacks together. They snore when they sleep.
Wait a minute. I want to hear the. They. Again, can you say this again? This one. They.
They they live under the house of a snowman.
This one.
They like to eat snacks together. They snore when they sleep.
Okay, very good. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, go. Snappy the snail.
Snappy the snail and Jake the snake are friends. They live under the house of a snowman. They like to eat snacks together. They snore when they sleep.
Very good. Very good, very good. Do not forget the. Okay? Always. Okay, very good, very good. Now let's do this one. Let's go to our next sound. What's the sound?
Stone.
Yes, what's this?
Stone.
This?
Stamp.
This one?
Stove. Star. Stop.
Very good. Go to your paper. Let's write it. Stop, stone, stove, stamp, stars. Go. I want to see your letters. I cannot see. Go here, near. Move near the camera. Okay, stop. Stone. Okay, the other word. This one, stove. I want to see stove. Oh, I cannot see it. Up. Left. Go to the left. Left. Star stove. Ooh, yes, perfect. Very good. Very good. One more time. What's this?
Stop.
What? Stop. Yes, very good. Now let's have our sounds again. Let's write the sounds. First one, what's this?
Star.
What letters?
S-T.
S-T.
A-R-S.
This one?
Snake.
Letter?
S-T.
S-T.
N-A-K-E.
Yes, this one.
Stamp.
Letters?
S-N.
S-N again.
N.
Snap. Are you sure?
T.
T. Stamp. Again, this one. What letter?
A-M-P.
Yes, this one. What's this?
Stone.
Letters?
S-T-O-N-E.
Yes, very good. What's this?
Stop.
Letters?
S-T-O-P. S-T-O-P.
Yes, and the last one?
Stove.
Letters?
S-T-O-V-E.
Yes, very good. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Tag. Hay. Stem. Stir.
Yeah, very good.
Up.
This one?
Stop. Stop. Stack. Stain. Stamp.
Mhm.
Steep. Sink. Stunk.
Huh? Again?
Stunk.
Not stunk. Stuck. Stuck.
Stuck.
Yes, stuck. Let's read. 1, 2, 3, go.
Stella stood by the sea.
Oh, again? Read it properly again. Stella stood by the sea.
Stella stood by the sea. A starfish she could see. Hello, pretty starfish, she said with glee. Please don't stop, little girl. Don't step on me.
There is no step, don't hear. So it's only please stop. Again, read this again, this part.
Please stop, little girl. Don't step on me.
Very good. One more time. 1, 2, 3, go. Stella.
Stella stood by the sea.
Stella stood by the sea.
Stella stood by the sea. A starfish she could see. Hello, pretty starfish, she, she said with glee. Please stop, little girl. Do not step on me.
This is do not or don't.
Don't step on me.
Okay, one more time. No more mistakes. 1, 2, 3, go.
Stella stood by the sea. A starfish she could see. Hello, pretty starfish, she said with glee. Please don't stop. Please stop, little girl. Don't step on me.
Very good. Better, better, better. Okay. Very good. Okay. You were very good today, Addy. And your writing also very good. Very good. Continue practicing your writing skills. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. We will have another lesson next time. Okay. See you. Bye bye.